ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
And thanks, Jared. The time is 6:45 on your Tuesday morning. Here's what you need to know as we get your Tuesday going and look ahead to the second half of the work week. Today, winds are going to increase ahead of two atmospheric river events. The first round being tomorrow, lasting all the way through tomorrow night. And we have a second round, heavier rain expected Thursday all the way through Friday. Now, the major threats will, of course, be hazardous travel. We do have a minor threat for low-lying flooding, but right now the biggest concern is going to be for anyone who has to drive during the peak time of when the rain is falling. All right, our water vapor imagery shows the moisture from this atmospheric river aloft, and we have two systems that are going to push in all of that precipitable water onshore over the next few days. So our cloud rain futurecast shows onshore flow strengthening. If you look outside, you could see that in the form of those overcast conditions. We have the chance of seeing some light showers this morning. Chances are fairly minimal, though, especially in comparison to Wednesday and Thursday. Now, most of today is going to be dry. Today is a perfect time that you make sure your tires have adequate tread and that your wipers are working, that you don't have to replace them. And if you do, today would be the time to do it. We're expecting rain as early as 7:30 tomorrow morning. It looks like it will start to pick up all the way through the 9-10 o'clock hour, and then it will lighten up as we get towards Wednesday night. That's the first round. We could see rainfall amounts of 1/4 inch per hour. Then we have that secondary round. I mentioned it's heavier and it comes a little earlier Thursday morning around 3-4 a.m. Notice those yellow colors. That's where we're going to see some of the heaviest rain. So first targeting the North County, and then it becomes widespread. We have a little bit of a break Thursday morning, and then it picks back up again towards the afternoon and evening hours. By this time, a flood watch will be in effect for everyone except for the desert regions, and we'll also see rainfall amounts greater anywhere between 1/4 to 1/2 inch per hour. The bulk of heavy rain arrives Thursday night into early Friday, and then we'll have that rain turn into showers Friday just in time for Valentine's Day. Now, taking a look at the rain futurecast, this is beneficial rain that we're expecting across San Diego County. When all is said and done, by Saturday morning, we could accrue anywhere between 1 close to 5 inches of rain. So moderate event is what we're calling it, moderate to heavy, especially when it comes to Thursday into early Friday. We're also looking at really strong winds, which is why the deserts are currently under a wind advisory. Started yesterday, will last all the way through tomorrow morning. In terms of temperatures, we're going to stay fairly mild as far as daytime highs go. So this won't bring too much of a cool air mass. Typically atmospheric rivers, all of that moisture is from, it's subtropical moisture, so it's from the south and southwest. So therefore, we're not really expecting Arctic air to lower those snow levels. So this is going to be mainly a rain event for majority of the county. The mountain areas will be in the 40s. We are staying rather cool tonight, which is why we could see some light snow in areas like Julian, Palomar Mountain just tonight, and then temperatures are going to start to warm back up. Desert areas will be in the 60s all the way through the end of the week. This is for our desert regions, and then we'll actually warm back into the 70s on Saturday and Sunday for areas like Borrego Springs as well as Ocotillo Wells. Guys.
And we've been watching this breaking news that sheared hydrant. Just within the last few seconds, they were able to finally